right, now Sean's gonna do it. Go for it. What'd you get? 59.
59. The gears, do you want to read?
The gears. We woke at dawn, rested and ready. Our bodies had been still for too long, and our minds had been too quiet. It's time to get busy, change the world. Oh, we had such grand plans. Our to-do list stretched behind us like capes and gowns as we eagerly walked down the street to begin our day. But as we considered the things we wanted to accomplish, we became overwhelmed. There was just too much to do, and it would never get done. Just thinking about it made us tired. And so we went back to bed with promises to begin tomorrow. One day, a man showed us his watch. "This is how you live," he said. But we did not understand until he took it apart and showed us the gears inside, each one a different size. The smallest gear turns first because it requires the least amount of effort. Then each gear turns until the biggest one begins to move. If this is how time begins, this is how you must begin too. Realizing our energy and ideas must be a gentle process. Starting with the smallest task will carry you to great things. The obstacles which surround you may come from within.
Wow.
Does that give you some ideas about something to
I
change?
don't know what to make of it.
All right.
I'll have to think about this one.
Much like all wisdom,
Yeah.
it doesn't immediately cause change, but gives you much to ponder.
For real.
All right, I strongly recommend those of you who are in the Philly area to come check this out. This is on South and Juniper, and it is the Atlas of Tomorrow, a device for philosophical reflection.